And on we'll go.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's Phone Collection. Today we're going to be looking at some phones that I traded with Retrocomms. I will link her channel in the description. Also giving you a quick update on that BlackBerry Tour I got. I had a problem with the trackball not working. I took it all apart and got it cleaned out. I'll post the pictures of it in the end of this video, but let's go and get to seeing what we traded for. I'm not sure if she's posted a video on the phones that I've sent her, but if she has, I'll send that video in the description. If not, I'll see if she'll make lists on ones I sent her. Woo! Alrighty, so first off we got this Nokia. Set that aside. We got this LG on Verizon. I have something similar to this, but it's a unknown carrier, so hopefully we can get that one working. Let's go and take a look at this one. So here is a cracked iPhone 3G. You guys know, like the 3G, like all basically all the way up to the 5s are my favorite iPhones, so I'll get a screen order for that one and we can work on it. Here is a T-Mobile Samsung phone. A Samsung Blackjack, I think this is just a 1. I think I have one of these. I'm not too sure, but I know mine's got some issues, so this one looks like it's got the extended battery in it. I'm going to take a look at this. So here is a Motorola Droid. There's a slider phone. I always like the clicking of these droids. Alrighty. Definitely a lot of phones in there to go through. I ended up sending a whole bunch of the phones from the giveaway because since I wasn't able to ship them, I wasn't going to redo the giveaway. I'm actually going to get a couple more phones to do a bigger giveaway since we're almost 1,000 subs, guys. Let's keep going there. We're almost there. I know once we hit 1,000 subs, I think I'm going to buy like a maybe like an S7 or something and do a giveaway on it, a working S7. Here is a Motorola Droid. I think it's a Bionic, but I could be wrong. I always like the style of these. They're pretty cool. Here is a Verizon LG device. They have this one on Altel as well. It's kind of the same design with a speaker. So I'm also going to get that one. So I have the Verizon and the Altel one now. Here's the Blackjack 2. I think she said this one had no power, so we'll have to go through it. This is a LG Verizon. I have one just like this. Let me see if I can grab it real quick. In my parts drawer. But I think it's in really bad shape if I remember right. Oh guys, I'll have to look for it. But I know I have one like this. I got it in the eBay lot that I got the Razer V3Xs, I was pretty sure. So we got this one. We have this Kyocera. It's a Virgin Mobile. I've seen these a lot, but I don't have one until now, so that's pretty cool. We got one. We can test it out. We already have one of these, but I did want a second one. This is the Samsung U540. Like I said, I already have one, but this one actually looks to be a lot better shape than one I have, so we got some bubble wrap phones here. Here is a LG, I can't remember. It says no image, so we'll have to take a look at that. But I think I have one of these that's actually the generic brand. I'll have to grab it out of the desk and we'll take a look at it. Have a Motorola Razr. Is this a K1M? Yeah, it's K1M because it's a CDMA model. Here is a Nokia singular device. I've always liked these older Nokias. They're kind of cool. Just how they went from, you know, being so bulky and stuff down to thin, you know, compact as they were for a while. I have one of these, but mine seems to not be working, so I have two of them now. Here's a Sprint. I think this is a Rumor Touch. It's purple with Sprint. Here is a LG Altel device. This kind of reminds me of the VX. I can't remember the keypad layout on it, but it's one of the VX LG models I have. And then we also have a Motorola battery. Let's go and take a look at these. So here is a Motorola Droid X2. As you see, it's a Droid X2 because it doesn't have the dedicated camera key. So this will complete the list, because I have the Droid X somewhere around here. My phones are all out of order, guys. I've kind of rearranged the way they go. So they're kind of all over the place now. I know it's around here though. I do want to show you my Droid X. So you can see I have them both now. I guess I'll have to look for it. I'll find it. Oh, here it is. Finally. Here's my Droid X. And we got the X2 now. That took a long time, guys. And then also, I have a iPhone that's CDMA, or all my iPhones are CDMA besides one. But the problem with my GSM iPhone, I found out it has no iCloud or anything, but this is what I have of it. I know it's not iCloud locked, so I have to do some work on it, get some parts, but I did want to have a working GSM iPhone 4. I heard they're planning on upgrading our AT&T towers around here. So hopefully if they update them, I wonder if I can use a iPhone that's with GSM on them still, you know. So here's an iPhone 4. Yeah, it's a 4 because it's got the antenna band on top. The 4S moved to the side. And then the 4s on CDMA also on one side, but they didn't have a SIM card tray until the 4Ss. So there's that one. So to the side, we also have two more phones over here. We have this Kyocera. Let me take a look. The LG Scoop that has parts, which I have a black one that's in really bad shape. There's a Kyocera SE44 in here that's completely disassembled, but the display is broken if I remember right. And that's going to be in here. And then in this, we have a Motorola Sliver. I think this is the original, the GSM model. And mine is the CDMA model. I guess both the ones I have. I have the silver one and the black one. Let me grab mine. There we go. This one is taken apart. I couldn't remember why it was taken apart, but you know, that's the way it goes. So I think it needed new housing, which I don't think the CDMA housings would work on the GSMs. But if they do, I'll make a video of it and show you guys what it looks like. So there's going to be the unboxing, guys, of the phone trade I did with Retrocomms. I'll let you know if she posts a video or not on mine. I'm not sure if she made a video or not, but I went ahead and made it because I was here, you know, figure I'll try it. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.